Good morning and Assalamu alaikum upper KG class. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Yes, beta, this is our GK period and we are going to start our work. So I have given you worksheets of some different topics of GK. Our first topic is name of the dresses. Yes, beta, you have to write down date, that is Friday 21st May 2021, and our topic is name of the dresses. Yes, beta, look here. Look at the picture. Look at the dress. Which dress is this? Yes, this is a frock. F-R-O-C-K, frog. What is the spelling of frog? F-R-O-C-K, frog. This is a frog. Come to the next picture. Which dress is this? Yes, this is a skirt. What is the spelling of skirt? S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Beta, look here. Look at the picture. Look at the dress. Which dress is this? This is a coat. What is the spelling of coat? C-O-A-T, coat. Yes, beta, look here. Which dress is this? This is a pant. Which dress is this? This is a pant. What is the spelling of pant? P-A-N-T, pant. Yes, beta. Look here. Which dress is this? This is a hat. What is this? This is a hat. H-A-T, hat. Yes, beta. Look here. Which dress is this? This is a socks. Which dress is this? This is a socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Beta, you have to learn these spellings and then write on your worksheet. Thank you very much.